Yeah, you can see it's a little deformed in the head, but I think it'll be all right. I'm gonna turn it on fast.
Welcome to our crib. So today, you are going to get the full tour of the Airstream. Mostly our friends and family have been interested in everything we did to the Airstream to make it livable. We've been in it, how long now, Jody?
15 days.
We've been living in it 15 days straight. And then we also went for the 2 or 3 weekends, every weekend since we got it. We camped. And then 15 days straight here. So this is what it looks like after 15 days with maybe a little bit of straightening just for you for this video, not gonna lie. Here are some of the things we're doing. We mostly use these hooks here to dry things. This is Jody's wet bathing suit because he was just at the pool. And we leave our, sometimes our hats and stuff there. We have our shoe thing that we added here. This has been working out pretty good. And we just put our Crocs in there though. We put our sneakers down below that. We have our message board, which we've been having fun with you guys. Hopefully you guys are having fun reading our messages on the board. So yep, these messages are for you. And oh, right next to them, okay, we had a trip, guys, where we went and saw the manatees. They are so precious. We will tell you all about that trip in another video. But in memory of that cute little trip, we got this little sign here. Jody was nice enough to add this. I really like it. And
the reason why it's so far away from the wall is because I almost put it closer, but
then you can't get it on.
yeah, I'll be able to put a paper towel on it.
And oh, look at this.
Oh yeah.
Remember they gave, this is our very first flamingo from somebody at one of our other campgrounds. I think his name was Mark, I think.
Mark, and his husband's name was, we're bad with names. They own an Airstream. They're from Hawaii actually.
Yeah,
but they travel
sweet.
around. We met them in Key Largo. They're very nice.
Yes, and that's our first flamingo.
Yeah, they came the day we were leaving, so we didn't get a lot of time to talk to them, but they're very nice.
I think this is going to be controversial. Even Jody does not love what I've done here. I love it. Jody does not. So I'm interested. I'm interested. Tell me in the comments what you think of what I decided to do with this. Now, this up here is just kind of a catch-all for these cups. We're not really utilizing that to its full potential because it's deep.
We got more room than we know what to do with right now, even though it's only 23 foot. We're used to coming out from a rooftop tent and everything in the truck, so this is plenty of room. I mean, it's been 2 weeks and there's nothing I'm missing in there.
Okay, and in here, what we have is this. Tell me what you guys think. So people are normally using this for a pantry, and we're not. We're putting pantry items elsewhere. We are putting our forks, our spoons, our knives there, measuring, and our cooking type utensils here. Look at our new plates. Okay, so our old ones are pink, but look at these new ones. Aren't they cute? Key West has been a decorating dream for us, and our bowls. So, and some miscellaneous kind of stuff. We bought these. 2 of them fit in each spot. We really like it. Let us know what you guys think about that organization. Up here, oh, that's the rest of my cookie. I still didn't finish my cookie. I just stashed the rest of my cookie up here, but we have like...
Do you know why she stashed it? Because it would be gone if she didn't.
He'd eat it on me.
Now I know where it is. Better eat it fast.
Some cleaning supplies, my cup that I just store it there, but it's usually out, scissors and general things that we need. Colander, mixing bowl, oils and vinegar, and spices. And I think there's some pasta there. Oh, and there's the bags. You were asking me where the Ziploc bags were. So yeah, that's just some easy to grab. Yes, these fall over every trip. No, I don't. Oh yeah, and a cutting board. I don't fix it until I need them. So they'll stay like that unless I need to cook with the garlic, and then I'll go ahead and fix it.
So we got this yesterday. So I haven't nailed it down yet. So our museum puttied it down because I don't know. We might want to move it, so I might just put it away for now. But
aren't those cute for all the dolphins we keep seeing?
So yep, we saw some dolphins. So we got keep our cups here, our mat. So the water, when we're driving, we actually just put it right down here where the garbage can used to be. And
Yep.
this is some cleaning supplies and a bug zapper, which we haven't used yet. You know we're down in Florida.
Laundry stuff is down
Oh
there.
yeah, laundry stuff. Oops. We got our new pan here. So this is all clad, hex clad. It's our hex clad pan, and the lid for it. So that's all we have right here. That's pretty much all we're using for cooking. Where our forks and knives normally go, we did put the knives in here, but Tara doesn't like bending down, so that's why they're over there. We got a lighter, bottle opener, and in here is where we keep our Level Mate Pro and tape measure. So, but not Level Mate Pro, the
Other leveler.
that other level. This is our backup level.
And whatever that bag is from. It's Jody's junk drawer.
It's a Ziploc bag, yeah. Down here we keep, ta-da, 2 little pans. I don't even know. I thought there was nothing down here. Well, 2 pans that could go in there.
Other new things, I can't remember if we probably showed you guys this and the mat. So that's a drying mat, and that's the just a hand towel to dry our hands and any dishes. And if you guys haven't tried this, it smells really good. The watermelon. Okay. Go ahead. Oh wait, and a magnetic chip clip.
Okay, so this is our banana holder right here. It's where Tara keeps her bananas when she gets them. Under here, this is where we keep the seat cover. Under here, this is where we keep nothing. Under the table, I keep my computer bag and the extra garbage bags. Of course, when I'm working, I just put my computer in here. But I have all my memory cards and all that under there.
Under that cushion, we have something too.
Oh yeah, what do we have under here? I forgot. Oh, cutting board.
That's our really cool cutting board. I got that for our anniversary last year.
Is that what I've been sitting on?
Yeah.
I literally been saying, well, we've been sitting on these. I forget that they're under there.
We have, this is kind of a catch-all picnic basket. Like if we eat outside, I put paper plates and utensils and whatever else we need in here. But when it's inside, it keeps napkins, and then wherever we're staying, it keeps the paperwork from there so that we know where it is and we can read it. We didn't have a dedicated place for that stuff, and we were constantly looking for it. Is it in the truck? Is it in the trailer? Where do we put it? Blah, blah, blah. So anyway, so now this is the dedicated spot for wherever we're at, and then it gets thrown away when we're at the next campground. Am I saying this for you guys, or am I saying this for Jody? This is kind of messy, but it is our pantry right now. I have some tuna, I have some mix, I have some marshmallows. Oh, we make pancakes with this mix, and we'll have a video on that. It's really, really good. Jody's snack bin and coffee area.
So we use this for coffee. It has a little base I plug in, and it takes about 2 minutes to boil the water. So we can also use it for soup. We have coffee, maple syrup. It's what I'm using for coffee these days. I love my French press, but it was a mess to clean up, so we're using this with paper filters, but we'll show you that in another video.
Yep.
And that's it, just coffee, some tortilla chips, and some cereal.
Speaking of food, this is the fridge. Okay, what are we eating? We have stuff to make subs. We have bacon and eggs. We have oat milk. You know what? These pickles are really good. And know what I like about these pickles? It looks like he's just chillaxing with us here
Camping.
in Key
He's
West.
in his camp chair.
Yeah, he's
I
very
got a
cute.
spicy one today, though.
Cheeses. We have that to go with the chips over there. Some salsa. I have some mangoes. I always try to keep some fresh fruit and vegetables to eat. And the door, of course, the buttermilk for the pancakes.
Gotta have my creamer.
Gotta have my hot sauce. He's gotta have his creamer. Some homemade salad dressing. Butters, and yeah, we have a bunch of water in here in case we want cold water. Mostly I drink room temp, so those still don't get gone. And in here I have some cards. I have Uno, regular playing cards. We have whatever this is, Therm Pro indoor thermometer, and some ibuprofen and Tylenol. And then of course the museum stuff that we use to tack things down, which we'll talk about when we talk about the bathroom. Cauliflower, buffalo wings, some frozen fruit, watermelon, and chicken. And then, nice because I've been having to ice my knee and my back.
Yesterday we were on a 6-hour sailboat, snorkel, kayak, tour out in the middle of the Keys. So while I was kayaking, I got some video you'll see in one of our keys videos, so make sure you like and subscribe. And every Sunday we have a new video, but you'll see the video where I saw 2 turtles a little bigger than this. And right afterwards in Mallory Square, we found these. And to put them up, we're going to show you, we're going to put an insert of a little incident we had, which now we're going to remember forever.
It's a good story.
Yep. Relax, you're on beach time. That's for me, I think, for her to say, relax, you know, we're on beach time. You don't have to rush to everything. I'm the turtle, I'm fast. So this is where we keep catch-all for like my wallets, our keys, our camera equipment. Oh, this one won't fit in here. But,
so it goes right there for now.
So it goes right here for now. So.
And what else is there?
There's a book, a Twilight book. So Terry keeps her Twilight book in case she wants to read it again.
Yes, because the name of our trailer is inspired by that. Soak.
Here's a closet, so I'm not sure everything in here. We have paper plates and stuff in here.
Bags.
Bags and bags and bags. So we got plenty of garbage bags.
Spare washcloth, towels, and
towels.
Oh.
Am I making a
See how
mess?
pretty they were? Yes.
They're still pretty. You think? What do you think's going to happen the first time I hit the brakes?
Mats, and washcloths.
They're pretty for now. As soon as I hit the brakes or the gas. These I found. We have an extra one somewhere, but I'll put a link down below. Found these on Amazon, but yeah, we're just doing it for like socks, underwears.
If you look at our rooftop tent videos, we had a whole bathroom situation so that I didn't have to use public restrooms at the campgrounds or anywhere. And you can look at those old videos to see what we did. If you don't want to use your RV bathroom, because we understand some people just don't, but we use ours because even though we have that other system, we would only do that if we were not with the RV.
Or boondocking.
Yeah, or boondocking, okay? But as long as we have hookups, this is what we're doing, all right? Cute little towel. Again, on Amazon, a lot of the stuff's the bath mat, this, a lot of the towels you'll see around, stuff like that. If you guys want links, just let me know. I'll try to remember to put some down. Oh yeah, this is cool. We have this mirror here, which is nice. That was already here. That's just my hair clip, so I can put my hair up before going to the shower if I'm not washing it. Another sponge. This is really cool. And basically it just has all of my junk in it. All of my hair stuff, all of makeup that I almost never use. But I have it there in case I want to look pretty. I did one night for our special little outing on the Sunset Cruise. I used my makeup. And then we have our toothbrushes, some perfume, and just all necessities that kind of we just always, you know, lip gloss, Q-tips. So somebody, again, on Airstream Addicts told us about that museum gel, and let me tell you, whoever told me that, thank you so very much. I need to look up all these people one day, but thank you so very much. It did work, and it works very well. This does not budge. And then we still need to use it for this and this, but these two, if they fall down, not a big deal. The cleaner and the thing.
That's attached, but when we hit a bump, it bounces off. New and improved.
And this is true. The new and improved situation here. Yes, this is one of the things that already broke, and I attach it like that, and then we go. I have all my and Jody's shampoo, conditioner, all that kind of stuff fits right there.
So we got a garbage there.
Another Airstream Addicts person. You guys have been really helpful.
This is where we keep our teepee, called Six.
The 6-pack, very nicely.
This is a Calgon pour from Clean Tank Solutions, so I got to make some more. And it keeps everything like smooth in your tank. So I got the recipe from Clean Tank. Yep. And then I'm not sure what all this
This has to be organized still. Does anybody have any containers? I could put this on Airstream Addicts, but if anybody watching, if you know that there are containers that fit in here nicely and, you know, are divided so we could organize, this is just more toiletries, less used toiletries, maybe some backups for things.
I don't think I need anything in here. Definitely maybe the sunblock. I don't know what any of this stuff, it all looks the same. There's like 30 bottles. I don't know, I have no clue. No clue.
More clothes. We did get these. These have come in handy. I bag a lot of my clothes, and so I put a couple of bags on these, but you could just hang your clothes straight from here if you wanted to. Mine there, mine and yours here, and then yours up here. So this is all Jody's clothes and things up here.
All right, guys, so we keep this charger here. It charges our phones and our watches.
Yep.
So we have that plugged in here, and there's a bunch of USB ports. So I use these to help charge our cameras.
Actually, that charger is really convenient. Show them how the watch just lays over it. We could charge the watch. See my watch? My watch is right there. You could charge the watch and the phone at the same time. I really like these new ones. Jody found them.
Yep, so we use them at home, so I'm like, put one in the Airstream. But we have flashlights
in case we need to run outside.
With all these USBs, yeah, I got.
Those are from our rooftop tent, but we keep them here too.
I got all kinds of flashlights. I got my headband over here.
We used to keep them in the rooftop tent at night in case there were bears or people or anything approach the rooftop tent. We're up there, so we have to shine a light down. But now you never know when we might need them, so we keep them.
Yeah, and this is my favorite new light. So I got a couple of these, but I mean, it's like 20 feet long. It'll go out like 20 feet. So I can hang them in the bushes, but this video's not on lights, but...
You can't help yourself.
I can't help myself.
It's your new toy.
No, there's nothing in those bins under the bed there.
Nope, empties.
This one, that one's empty, but this one is my toolbox. It does everything. Still building my tool collection here, figuring out what I need. What tools do you carry? So I have my basic screwdriver, voltmeter, so I'm still building up my tool collection. Because I don't want to carry all my tools because of weight. Tell us in the comments what tools you guys keep. To hang my lovely turtle that looks just like a smaller version of the two I saw yesterday. Whoops, well, it's pretty heavy on this elbow. I'm going to have to use a screw. So I'm unscrew it in the Airstream. So this screw is a very special screw. This screw had a slow air leak, I noticed yesterday in my rear tire. So this was the culprit right here. So I had to patch it. Well, I took it somewhere to get it patched because I don't have an air compressor on me. So we're going to use this screw to remember our first big trip to the Keys. So I mean,
reuse, recycle.
Yeah, you can see it's a little deformed in the head, but I think it'll be all right. Face it up. Let's see.
Why make a trip to the hardware store to hang our turtle when we have a screw from our tire? I love it. Did you tell the guy you were doing this at the tire place?
Yeah, I told the receptionist. Gave it a little pilot hole I drilled.
Look at handiwork with a view.
Alright guys, that's the inside, so like and subscribe if you like these videos because we're going to do an outside tour. Believe it or not, there's a lot of storage outside. People say there's no storage outside. I got a full kitchen, I got an oven, I got everything inside of that thing. So we'll do that on another video.